Yeah, so here we are out in Mae On. It's been a long time since the crag has had some tender loving care, so we've got all kinds of things going on. We got the whole team here, and right now we're here for 10 days. It's good fun, and the crag is starting to look really good.
There it comes.
So we're hanging on rope, trying to replace some old anchors. We're using leaf blowers to clean off roots that haven't been climbed in a long time. Taking old wood and building steps and installing railings and doing different things to just kind of make the whole experience just a little bit better. A big part of work here is building these kind of belay platforms, which we started about 15 years ago. So there's a few new comfortable belay ledges and things, makes this whole area a little bit easier. The jungle comes back quickly, and as you can see, all these leaves was kind of overgrown for the last 4.5 years because of the crag not being open, but now as things are starting to reopen, we decided to come out and get these roots cleaned up.
We clean up all the bamboo out from the cave.
How much bamboo is there?
It's a lot.
A million.
A million pieces of bamboo?
A million. Maybe more than that. Probably like this high. Where am I? Right now we can stand and rock.
So look, if you've enjoyed climbing, we just ask that you try and do your part to help keep it tidy. Clean up where you can, take trash out where you can, because it doesn't just happen on its own. It needs all of us to pitch in and do our part. Looking forward to climbing with all of you soon.
Feel your progression!